Determine how many elements are in each set. To do this, it is necessary to count either quickly or somewhat slowly. So what is counting really?
Counting is the action of coordinating and relating the elements of any set with a fixed reference set called the set of natural numbers. How the hidden basis of mathematics is order. Any number system or set must have a specific order. In the case of the set of natural numbers, this will be in the base that composes it. In which each number has the same place in there, will be nothing between it and its predecessor or between it and its successor. Look at the number series. There is nothing between 5 and 4, nor is there any value between 5 and 6. Thus in India, where the idea of the decimal system arose, they were putting together sets, each one with one more element than the previous one. And each set was assigned a name and a sign. Of course, 0 came later, and the names and symbols have changed somewhat since its creation.
So each set we saw at the beginning is related to the series of natural numbers. There are 2 elements in this set. In this other set there are 5 elements. And in this set there are 9 elements. This is in itself a numerical abstraction. In summary, to count we will always compare and relate the set of objects that we want to count with the set of natural numbers. Here are some other examples of why counting is actually repeating from memory and in the correct order a numerical series called the set of natural numbers. Observe the set of balls. To count, you have to relate it to the set of natural numbers. There are 55 balls in this set. Here's another example. Now we have to count stars. Natural numbers. They are the numbers we use to count, including 0. Although there has been no consensus on whether or not this number should be included. Thus being an infinite series, in reality a set and being represented by the letter n. It could also be said that the set of natural numbers are exactly the same as the positive integers. Please try not to get confused. The words 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc., and their signs are not the natural numbers. These are some of the ways we can use to express and represent natural numbers. Just as the image of an apple is not an apple, if not the representation or image of an apple. Take for example, that we could represent this set like this. But also in many other ways. The number 5 itself will have different names depending on the language. And it will also change symbol depending on the culture. Now let's observe.
Brindo por otro asqueroso milenio.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Curious fact. It is not certain whether numbers are a human invention or just a discovery. In my personal opinion, they are just something else that we discover and interpret. Since many ancient cultures, although separated from each other, had similar concepts. And the basis of their knowledge, as it is now, is simply observation. As an additional point, we are not the only species on the planet capable of counting or using numbers in some way. Ants living in the Sahara Desert, the hottest desert in the world, count the number of steps they take from the moment they leave their nest until they find food. This allows them to calculate, after following a chaotic path, the precise distance in a straight line they must follow to quickly return to their shelter, before the high temperatures eliminate them. According to research conducted by German and Swiss scientists. Here are other animals or plants, capable of counting or using numbers.
Бесцветный, беспощадный мир. Я приняла тебя, и ты меня прими. Хотя осталось мало сил, и хватит, чтобы дожить до конца пути. Холодный свет глаза мне режет больно. Я выдержу, ты лишь позволь. Дай мне жить, дай мне еще один шанс на счастье. Здесь, в Серомле, я сражаюсь за право остаться.
And the more studies are done, the more species appear on the list. I hope this information has clarified something in your mind and can be useful to you. Remember, if you struggle with math or just want to learn more in a different way, you can follow this channel and watch all the videos. Thank you.